Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. We're continuing to look at this front living floor plan. And what we're looking at here is the MorRyde independent suspension. And I've got some more information about this and how they mount this. Lippert actually comes out and they put the bracket spacers in order to fit the independent suspension into those brackets. Then what we do is we bolt these to these brackets. You can see that bolt there. They're bolted down on both sides. Every axle is bolted down. Then what happens is after this unit gets through our production line, it goes out for alignment at MorRyde. MorRyde is very specific that they do the aligning on their axles. So what happens is when it goes into MorRyde, they align each axle and then they weld it to the frame. So it's not only bolted to these brackets, it's welded to the frame in specific areas. So you'll see this tab right here. It's kind of dark to see that, but this tab helps to align. This tab helps to align. So they go off of these tabs and also some other things to align their suspension. So what you're getting is a very good aligned 3 axles that are welded to the frame. So just wanted to give you a little bit of insight on that, on what happens with that MorRyde suspension. So hey, give us a call if you're interested in getting some more information on our luxury fifth wheels. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.